modern classrooms, digital teaching tools are becoming essential. The 65-inch smartboard offers an interactive way to present lessons, write notes, and engage students. Teachers can easily annotate presentations, display multimedia content, and collaborate with students directly on the screen. With multi-touch capability and wireless screen sharing, the smartboard supports dynamic teaching methods that improve learning outcomes. The 65-inch size fits perfectly in smaller classrooms and training rooms. Ikinor, as a professional smartboard manufacturer, provides OEM and ODM customization, including hardware configuration, software integration, and branding services. Our product lineup includes 65, 75, and 86-inch interactive displays, supporting brand partners and large education projects worldwide.